Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series, question number 4. How to calculate these expressions? Usually, people will think about solving the inside of the parenthesis and then multiply it. So we have 8 times 9 is 72. We subtract 45, divide by 3, equal 27, divide by 3, equal 9. This one gives you the answer, but I want to introduce a shortened way with avoid to working with the big number. So I noted that the 11 minus 2 right here, or the 9 right here, is like a factor between the common factor between those two terms. So I will take it out. 9 times 8 minus 5 over 3. And it gives me 9 multiplied by 3 divided by 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 9 times 1 is 9. I refer this method. And our answer is C. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.